Hi friends, good morning. The weather in Calcutta is very much foul today, actually. Stormy and it is continuously raining. But I didn't come to say the weather forecast. Actually, I have come to say that most of the people I have come to know that they are very much eager to speak English. But so many teachers are there. There are so many teachers who used to teach them converting from or translating from English to Bengali or Bengali to English like this. But according to me, this is not the right way. This is not the right way. Actually, if a student is not allowed to speak Bengali or in their regional languages or in regional languages, if you are very much strict and if you stick to it, then you must be able to speak English. The English, this is a habit. The language is very much phonetic. If you always start speaking English, if you always converse with your friends in English, wherever you are going, and the people whom you were meeting, you try to always converse in English and just make them prepare to speak in English. So if you continue like this, then you will be very much accustomed to speak. So this is my opinion. Actually, today I have not come. Today I have not come to teach you something. I have come to say you something. Actually, this is my opinion. This is my experience. If you like to speak English, then you have to be very much dedicated that I have to speak English. So I won't say anything. I won't say anything in Bengali or what is your actually regional language. I won't say anything. I only speak English. It doesn't matter whether it is right or wrong. It doesn't matter whether it is right or wrong, but I have to speak it in English. Maybe sometimes it will be grammatically wrong. Sometimes it will be the sentence will be wrong. It doesn't matter. Don't bother for it. Just go and do it. In this way, you have to think. If you think like that, then you can be able to speak English. So this is my advice. Please don't translate from Bengali to English, English to Bengali. Don't do like this, because this is not the way. This is not the way. If you like to know the English, if you like to know the language, if you like to know the grammar, then just follow that way. That is properly appropriate, I think. But if you like to speak English, then you have to think of it that you won't say anything without English. You always speak in English, because you will not be allowed to speak anything in English. So if you continue like this, if you follow this, then you'll be able to speak English. So this is my advice to all of you. Just start from today, and if you like to speak English, then I can come on live. And you will speak everything in English. Then I will say how to talk, how to say like that. And if you just mug up some languages, some sentences, if you mug up, then you will not be able to speak. According to me, I am telling you. I am telling you from my own experience. Already I have become aged. You can just see my beard. This is white and some slightly just just few gray or blackish. Otherwise, everything has become white. So my own experience, I am telling you. If you like to speak English, you have to be very much confident. It doesn't matter whether it is wrong or right. Just go ahead and always speak. And you will not be allowed to speak anything in Bengali or in your regional language, just because during that time you have to set aside everything. Okay, this is my advice to you. Please don't mind anything. I am not giving you instructions. I am giving you advice as an elder. I am not teaching. I am not a teacher. I don't regard myself as a teacher. I always regard myself as a friend. So please note this and think of it. Whatever I am saying anything right or wrong. Just think of it. Okay, love you all. This is my short video. Actually, I didn't come today just to tell you something, just to teach you something. Just I have come to give you some instructions, not instructions, it's advice and suggestions, what I have experienced, what I have gained in my life. So this is my own experience. I am sharing my own experience with all of you. So guys, if you follow it, then you can do it. If you see some of the students who belong to English medium schools, and the English medium schools who schools do not allow the students to speak English during the school times, they are very much able to speak English if you follow that. But there are so many schools who allow the students to speak Bengali and to talk or to speak in their regional languages during school hours. They cannot speak properly. Why? Because they are having access to speak their mother tongue, to speak their mother tongue. But if they are not allowed, then they have to speak everything in English. And if they continue like this, now it will be very much easier, and it will make a habit for them. Then they will be able to speak everything in English. This is my advice, this is my suggestion. I don't know whether it is right or wrong. You will judge that. So I am living upon you. Okay. Tata, bye bye, love you all.